I'm back. What is going on, beautiful people? It has been a good little minute. Welcome back to the Feel Good Pouring Station, and you can see my colors. I pulled this video out of the vault, if you will. This video is over a year old, but I never put it out on the beautiful world of YouTube. So here you go. Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa. But today I am doing a straight pour, and I'm taking it up a notch, y'all. I have some really beautiful straight pours that I'm holding on to that I'm going to release, as I've definitely seen an uptick recently, and a lot of more artists getting into our cloud pours and galaxy pours, and there are wonderful artists out there. Willie B, you have Sarah, you have Sheldon, you have a lot of people doing their own twist and their own color schemes, and so I'm just loving all that's happening. But yes, I have been traveling. Many of you all know that I sometimes stumble upon very busy seasons for work, and so I've been doing a lot of that, but making a lot of progress in my profession, and checking off some life goals. So it's good to take a break, and so that's exactly what I've done over the last couple of months. I have not done much painting. However, I have been working, getting ready for another fluid art and abstract retreat. So that information is coming very soon, and a few other things. I'm still working on my course. I've been busy, just not doing as much painting. I want to do some more commissions this year, but only time will tell. With a good bit of planning underway, 2025 will be an amazing year. All right, so we'll do a little more catching up later, but right now I have mixed my paints off camera because it kind of gets monotonous showing all of the same things in every video. But I am working with a 2.5 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint recipe. My pouring medium is strictly Flood Floeteol, the American version, not the Australian version, which of course you can find at Home Depot, Amazon, and Lowe's. So, my white paint is mixed with Amsterdam titanium white and a little bit of satin enamels to help achieve somewhat of a cloud effect. I am not looking to get any sales, and so you will see how that pans out in just a moment. But in the meantime, friends, tell me how you have been. I can't wait to catch up with you all in the various modes of social media, YouTube, all that good stuff. Can't wait to hear what's been happening to you over the last couple of months. And as always, you can leave it in the comments below. All right, family. So you may be wondering why we didn't get a lot of sales. We did get some clouding, which was intentional. So I just mixed a little bit of satin enamels with my Amsterdam titanium white, and I know that the heaviness of that titanium white tends to diminish the sales. With this particular mix, so I didn't use any cloud mix, no Vallejo pearl medium, and so there are some cells that are just going to naturally happen, either bubbles in the paint or some reaction happening. But I could have layered this differently and may have gotten a different reaction that caused cells, as we did see some in the cup. But I'm glad that we didn't get any because you can really focus on the beauty of this piece. So, friends, this is coming up on a final look, and I love how that white is peeking through, and we had some cells to pop up. That is definitely my favorite corner. But y'all, I'm having a hard time of what to name this because I see the ocean and I see the sunset. And I hope you really enjoyed this one. There's a great picture of some beautiful people. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. Peace.